I don't want to be wasting my time, my precious time with people who doesn't have eyes, or people who has eyes and cannot see, and the people who has ears but they cannot hear. I don't want to be wasting my time on the things, the affairs that concerns investment in Nigeria. Do you know why I said that? The leaders we have are such leaders that do not listen to what will benefit them. They don't implement things that will benefit them. Either things that will witchcraft people or things that doesn't matter. That is what they are ready of doing at any time. And they are birds of identical plumage that congregates in propinquity. Do you know why I say that? The laws that will make this country a modern state is not enacted by the Senate, can never be enacted. But the laws that will never give anything to this country called Nigeria are the things they easily enact. They enshrine it immediately into the constitution and it becomes a law. Because when the Senate ratifies any law, it becomes a law. This country is not thinking of how we do industrialization. Watch from the Senate, from the president. Let's go from the president. How old is the president of Nigeria? How old is he? You can tell that. How old are the Senate we have? Senate, how old are they? These are men that we are talking about that is of age, that no longer think like young people, that doesn't have more longevity of life. So they can do anything. After all, our cup will have finished it. It remains to go to grave. How do you think that those people can enact a law that will benefit the people? How? I want to talk to people that are from my place. Other regions, you can also learn. If this government can get one person that will have ear, because I know there are people that has ear in the government. Let them hear. See, let me tell you. Before I started this, I have made this video in the past. This was revealed to me that I should tell Nigerian government that they should make agriculture a mandatory thing, but they cannot hear it. They cannot enact such law to become a law that will salvage the people from the gross hunger that is ravaging the people. Rather, they will be enforced. They will be fast to enact a law of Nigeria we heard it, or the taxes that will be imposed to people in order for the people to revolt against the government, to witchcraft and witch hunt people from their will. Listen, my people in Biafra land, I am a Biafran, and I am from Southeast. When you talk about the Southeast, you hear Biafra. I am a son, a bona fide son from the Southeast, the wise people. I'm not saying others are not wise, but if you want to be wise, you are to be wise. But the wise people came from the East. Believe it or not, they came from the three wise men. They came from the East. If you three wise men did not come from the East, go and rewrite the good book. The people from the land of Biafra, I want you to listen very well. You see, agriculture. I want the people in the diaspora to invest in agriculture. Because hunger is coming. The Lord told me before on my video, my last video, He told me that I should tell Biafrans to continue investing into agriculture, mechanized agriculture, so that hunger will not kill our people. The Lord said in Genesis chapter 26 verse 12, He said, now Isaac planted. He said Isaac planted in the same year and reaped in the same year, and God blessed him. Do you see it? He planted in the same year and reaped in the same year, and God blessed him. That shows that agriculture is something you can do in a year and still reap in the same year, and you will, upon that, God will bless you. Hunger is coming. Hunger is coming. If you don't have ear, have your eyes to listen. Bible says, whosoever that have ears, let him listen to what the angels are telling the saints. They said, in a place where a rich man is instructing the child is where the poor people or poor children listen to. They pay attention. Biafran people, please make it mandatory to start farming. Start farming. Hunger is coming. And this is the instrument that will make you people to be free. To be free. I have said it time without number. No victor, no vanquish came from that famine. They used hunger, starvation to manipulate the Biafrans from 1967 to 1970 Biafra Nigerian War. Kwashoko killed many, rendered many useless because there is no food to eat. When people will go inside the bush and start cultivating leaves, they don't know whether it is poisonous or not poisonous in order to feed their stomach. Where children die of malnutrition because there is nothing to eat from the farm. Biafrans, go back to farm. Don't look at Nigeria. Whether we belong to Nigeria or we don't belong to Nigeria, don't look at Nigeria and its government. Don't look at them. Go back to the farm. Make your place how you want it to be. Even if you are in Nigeria till tomorrow, your place will be the best and the best of its kind. It is only in the Biafra land that you see constant generation of light. Aba is one example. Imo State, from the history and from the news, is also on their own. Enugu State, I believe, Igbo people, the Biafrans are mimickers. Once one person does it and it works, other people will do it. Fuel generator have come out and everybody is going into fuel generator now. Very soon, this fuel that the government of Nigeria fixed their eyeball on, they will drink it. Very soon, fuel will no longer be anything to be compared with. Then I will know whether the Senate, the House of Assemblies, the government of Nigeria will drink the fuel. They will drink it. Because that is the reason, the main reason why they don't want to enact a law that will enhance productivity, industrialization, and so many other things that make a country a modern country. But they will go to Europe, they will go to India, they will travel to London, they will go to different countries that produce a lot of good things, but they will not learn. Biafrans in diaspora, come back, invest in agriculture. Let there be exportation from the land of the rising sun. May God bless anyone who likes peace, and anyone who doesn't like peace, let him go and hawk transformer. That is where he belongs. This is wonderful love, where we disseminate love, care, and the truth must be prime, no matter who else is God. God bless you. I am your brother, Ambassador Single, the man who vowed not to stop crying until things are done right. May God bless you, because God is still speaking from the heart and from the mouth of men.